is my tutorial for a glow-in-the-dark snow globe tumbler. I am currently prepping my tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block and wiping down with 91% alcohol. Then I'll be ready to add my ghost stencils. I got the ghosts and outlines on design bundles. Well, they came all together. So I'll have a link to the ghosts and outlines down below in the description box. So I counted how many acrylic tumblers I have left, and I have 4. I'm excited to get back to stainless, but I've been having so much fun with these acrylic snow globe tumblers. I didn't realize how versatile they can be with a lot of the designs that I do on stainless steel tumblers. Like, you can improvise and do the designs on the acrylic tumblers that you can do on stainless steel tumblers. And acrylic tumblers are cheaper than stainless as well, so they can be sold at a lower price point. So if you want to provide a less expensive option to your customers, these are definitely the way to go. When I was finished adding my stencils, I spray painted the tumbler with Color Shots Center Stage, and then I was ready for the next step. I'll be doing the tack it method using Southern Belle Glitter's foil glue as usual for this tumbler. And for my colors, I decided to go with the blacks and the electric purple and the lime green combination that you usually see. Well, not usually. Well, they're popular around spooky season, but you can do any colors that you like. Have fun with it. After glittering, I sealed my tumbler with Krylon triple thick. Remember, we do this before pulling the stencils so we don't end up with a dull acrylic tumbler by sealing those scuff marks from the earlier sanding. more glitter shall be added because y'all, well, it's me, but Amuck from Peachy Olive is pretty much spooky season in glitter form. I added it to the top and I kind of have it kind of sprinkling down to the bottom, but you can add it however you like or not at all. I know I joke with y'all and say, you know, just to go ahead and do it, but you legit don't have to. But come on, just do it. Do it. While that layer cures, let's do our snow globe liquid. I wanted it to glow in the dark, so I have some glow alcohol inks and glow micas from Woody's Goodies and decided to experiment. I made my usual mixture of half magical liquid and half distilled water, but I also added in a touch of vegetable glycerin as well. Apparently, I've been told that vegetable glycerin is better if you're using mica powders because it kind of helps prevent clumping. I totally didn't even think about that. So thanks, fam, for letting a sister know. I then added a healthy squirt of the glow-in-the-dark alcohol ink and a couple of scoops of the glow-in-the-dark mica. I used the micas mainly for the color. I wanted my liquid to have a lime green look to it for some added sparkle. I'll also be using PDB's Bad and Boozy. I'm going to be speeding through filling and sealing my snow globe tumbler. If you'd like to see a slower version as well as an explanation as to what I'm doing, check out the right hand corner of your screen. I will place a link there to my very first snow globe tumbler tutorial. So Tech Wrap Craft has this new glow-in-the-dark vinyl. The one on the left, the green one, they've had it. But the one on the right, y'all, it's like holographic. It's like a holographic glow-in-the-dark vinyl. It glows, y'all. It glows! So I had to use it for the outline of my ghosts, and I'm going to be using it for the offset for my quote. I'll post a link to the vinyl down below on the Tech Wrap Craft website, but if you're not going to buy over $69 worth of product, shipping can be pretty darn expensive. I also have a discount code. It's one-time use that you can also use to help. But y'all, if you're not going to spend $70, then I wouldn't go there. I would try Amazon. If they have it on Amazon, I'll post a link down below. If they don't, I'll try to find something that's just as good or comparable. But yeah, I think right now it's only on the website. But I'll post a link to it down below as well as my discount code. And y'all, I totally forgot to mention that after I added the outline to my ghosts, I did put a layer of epoxy on there to seal my ghosts in, and then I added my decal. But like I said, these tumblers, they don't need a decal, you guys. I just did it because I wanted to, but you don't have to. These are super cute without a decal. I sealed until smooth, and then I was all done. I am in full-blown fall mode now, you guys, but for all my summer lovers out there, feel free to check out my previous beachy tumbler tutorials. I'll place a link to one of my favorites in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your glow-in-the-dark snow globe tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!